Girls, we're going to go ahead and talk about what happened today at school. And as I look at our schedule, I see that the first thing we did was math. And so let's do a quick review of the kind of problem we did in math today in our workbook. We had a problem like this, where it was 13 minus 7. Who can tell me the first thing that we would do on this problem? Nice and loud. Jasmine?
We should look for the 10.
Okay, and where can you find a 10 in there, Jasmine?
In the 13.
In the 13. All right. So I know there's a 10 in here and a 3 in here, but I have to look ahead and say I want to subtract 7. So could I subtract 7 from a 10 or a 3? Aniston?
10.
So I'm going to put my 10 over here, Aniston, right? Close to this 7 because I'm going to be subtracting there. So what goes in this other part of the number bond, Claire?
3.
Thank you. All right, so now we have to talk about our subtraction problem. So we have a subtraction problem. What is it? Asha?
10 minus 3.
Right.
10
we're,
minus 7.
Oh, yes, 10 minus 7. So we've got this 10. We are subtracting 7. So here we go, 10 minus 7. And who can tell me what 10 minus 7 equals? Nick?
3.
3, excellent. So now we've got 3. We've done this problem, 10 minus 7, but I've got this 3 over here. I've got this 3, my answer, and this 3 over here. What are we going to do now, Janie?
3 plus 3.
Yes, we're going to add this 3 that we just got, but we're going to pick up that other 3 and add it together. That's a doubles problem. Janie, what's the answer to 3 plus 3?
6.
6. So, boys and girls, now we know the answer here, and we have 13 minus 7 equals 6. Excellent job. So that's kind of the main problem that we worked on, main type of problem we worked on in math today. After math, we had reading, and some of you got to go and work with Ms. Melky in the other room. Can anyone that went with Ms. Melky today tell me what types of sounds you were working with? Mary. Ooh and ah. And what makes the ooh sound? Someone that went with her. Dylan? O together says ooh or sometimes. And what letter makes that ah sound? Jacob?
O.
Yes, the short O sound is ah. So you were deciding between two things, the ooh and the ah. The other groups that met with me, we were testing out of some of our books, and we were actually working on a specific sound that C can make when it's next to its friends E and I. What sound does C make when it's next to an E or an I? Meyer. The soft C sound, which says the S sound, right? Let's give an example of that. All right, how about this word? Look up here. Oh, I see C and E together. What do C and E say, Claire?
Face.
Yes, they say the S sound, so that would be Magic E saying, making the A say its own name. Ace, space. Good job, Claire. What about, ooh, here's a tricky one. This is a 2-syllable word. I see the C and the E next to each other. What do you think, Ashley?
Cross.
Let's look at this part. Here, you're right. This says, but what does IR say? So what's that going to say? Sir.
Circus.
Circus. Very good. So we worked on the soft C sound. Then we had lunch, and some of you went to dance today. Raise your hand if you went to dance and want to tell one thing you did at dance or what you were working on in dance. Luke, what were you working on in dance?
We were working on Valentine's dance.
A Valentine's dance. I saw that dance yesterday with the A dancers. Pretty cool. Some of you stayed back here with me and you did Writer's Workshop. What were we working on in Writer's Workshop today? Sophia. Yeah, what were we doing?
We were making a Valentine's card.
Valentine letters, that's right. We were writing letters to some of our helpers at school, and so we wrote them letters, didn't we? Go ahead and stop there and we'll edit two together.